Wala masyadong umiti.
I shall obey
the rules and
Hoy,
regulations
hindi ka kasali dyan.
rules and regulations
of the organization.
of the organization.
I shall perform
I shall perform
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
that which is expected of an alumnus of this school.
of an alumnus in this school.
I shall carry on
I shall carry on
the ideals
Ses. Ses.
and nobility of plans for which the
Ses. Come on.
organization
for which the organization
I shall defend
the honorable name of the organization
the honorable name of the organization
with all my heart.
with all my heart.
I shall always turn to the great Lord
I shall always turn to the great
in
Lord
the performance of my duties
performance of my
and obligations.
and obligation.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Video to na.